Good morning, students. So once again recollecting our last lecture for electrochemistry, where we have completed the Nernst equation. Nernst equation, where we have studied that it is relating standard potential of the cell and concentration of the chemical species involved in the reaction. Now here we have one more term here, Gibbs free energy. Okay, showing the relation between Gibbs free energy and EMF of the cell. Now the concept of Gibbs free energy already you have studied in physics. Now see, Gibbs free energy change delta is nothing but Gibbs free energy change. Okay, delta G, where G is the Gibbs free energy named after the scientist, is equal to electrical work done and also electrical work done is given by the equation charge into potential of the cell, EMF of the cell. Now what is charge? Charge is nothing but product of number of electrons involved in the reaction and Faraday. Okay, Faraday, the value you know, 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulombs. So that is the value for 1 Faraday. And then EMF of the cell you can write as E cell, which is a potential. So this overall value here will give you electrical work done during the process. Now the equation for delta G we get here after substituting the values for W, electrical work done is equal to delta G is equal to minus NFE cell. Okay, and in terms of standard conditions, if you consider standard conditions, then delta G naught is equal to minus NFE naught cell. So this equation you have to keep in mind, and then we continue with the next heading here, free energy and equilibrium constant, very important. So our last lecture we have seen the final simplified form of Nernst equation. Nernst equation is given by E naught cell is equal to 2.303 RT upon NF log to the base 10 Kc, where Kc is nothing but equilibrium constant if you consider concentration terms of the chemical species involved in the reaction. अभी आपको ये इक्वेशन ध्यान में रखना है, और ये इक्वेशन जो आपको अभी मिला है डेल्टा जी नॉट के लिए, और ये देखो अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे आपको कौन सा इक्वेशन मिलता है. आप अगर ये वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे ई नॉट सेल वैल्यू किसमें, ये इक्वेशन में, तो आपको क्या मिलता है, देखो डेल्टा जी नॉट इज इक्वल टू माइनस NF into 2.303 RD upon NF log to the base 10 Kc. ओके, तो कौन से टर्म्स कैंसिल होते हैं यहाँ पे, NF NF माइनस साइन ये पे है, तो द इक्वेशन न्यू इक्वेशन फॉर डेल्टा G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log to the base 10 Kc. Okay, so again numericals based on this particular equation, very important for your board exams. Now very simple term we have to understand here, metallic and electrolytic कंडक्शन. तो पहले समझते हैं कि मेटालिक कंडक्शन मतलब क्या. मेटालिक कंडक्शन मीन्स कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट बिकॉज ऑफ मेटल आयंस, ओके, और मेटल एटम्स. एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दैट मेटल एटम्स आर कंटेनिंग फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो शॉर्ट में क्या बोल सकते हैं हम लोग कि मेटालिक कंडक्शन मीन्स कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट बिकॉज ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक कंडक्शन मींस व्हाट, कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट बिकॉज ऑफ आयंस. ओके, आयंस प्रेजेंट इन द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, आयंस आल्सो यू नो, cations and anions. So simple definition can be asked in exam, and then almost coming to the last part of the chapter, where when you continue with these concepts, all these terms you have to keep in mind. All these terms very important. So today we are just introducing these terms, already studied in physics. Okay, so I need not go in detail for this part. So these terms and then numericals related to all these equations. Okay, and only one important law you have to study here, Colruy's law. Okay, in detail we have to study. So let us understand these terms. First one is of course Ohm's law. Ohm's law, R is equal to V upon I. You are studying from lower standards. Okay, resistance, voltage, current, I. So first term is resistance, ohms. Second, specific resistance denoted by rho. This is called rho. Specific resistance is equal to resistance into capital A upon L. What is capital A? Area of cross section, and small l here is length of the wire. So capital A is area of cross section of wire and L is the length of the wire. Third term is capital C, which is equal to reciprocal of resistance, and capital C is called conductance. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Conductance. Now look at this particular symbol here. This is called kappa. Okay, denoted by this particular letter. And the equation which is given for kappa K is equal to 1 upon rho. And already you know the value of rho. यहाँ पे आपको पता है. So this value of rho you substitute here, and then you get kappa is equal to capital C into L upon A. So this also we have to use in the numericals. And finally we have introduction of this term, that is capital lambda EQ. Capital lambda EQ, which is called equivalent conductance. Okay, kappa is called specific resistivity, C is called conductance, kappa is called specific resistivity or specific conductivity, and here we have equivalent conductivity given by kappa upon small c eq. अब ये small c eq क्या है? Concentration of the solution in terms of the equivalent weight of the particular species. Okay, so capital C is concentration in terms of equivalent conductance. Okay, and that will be per unit volume. Per unit volume means unity 1 cm cube. Okay, 1 liter, 1 dm cube. Okay, so per unit volume. So concentration in terms of, or equivalent concentration in terms of volume, unit volume. Now we also know that concentration terms is inversely related to volume, क्योंकि अगर वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा रहेगा तो concentration कम रहेगा. Okay, and opposite will be the case. So C equivalent is also equal to 1 upon V eq. Substitute the value of C eq here. आपको क्या मिलेगा finally? Equivalent conductance is equal to, or equivalent conductivity is equal to V equivalent into kappa. Okay, तो ये जो terms है आपको 5 main terms and one more term will come up. Okay, जैसे ये equivalent conductance है capital lambda eq, वैसे ही और एक term है capital lambda m. m मतलब क्या रहेगा वो? molar conductance. Okay, and then after considering the equation for molar conductance in Colruy's law, then we are going to relate. Okay, then we are going to relate equivalent conductance and molar conductance, and the numericals based on that part also we have to study. So dear students, today's lecture, okay, where we have seen these many equations here. So you must understand one point here, that mostly for this particular part we have to practice numericals which are asked in board exams. So that we will, of course, the important numericals for this part we will solve. You will get in my lectures. I will explain in my lectures. Okay, so very small part of the chapter is remaining now. For that also notes already. Okay, two more PDFs you will receive, and the videos for the PDFs also you will receive on the same day. Okay, so this PDF and video also you will receive on the same day, and with coming to video lessons, this chapter will be over, and then we'll continue with the remaining syllabus for the year. So go through this part, very important since equations are involved. Also try to recollect similar type of equation you have studied in physics. So correlate the subject and study please. Okay, it's not totally different कि आपको अलग से स्पेशली ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा, केमिस्ट्री में अलग है, फिजिक्स में अलग है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है. So go through this, and if you have any doubts you can ask. So that's all for today. Thanks. Have a nice day. Thanks.